In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively transform a photo of your dog into a human version using an AI image tool. This is a fun and imaginative activity that will let you visualize your furry friend as a human while maintaining their style and personality. Let's dive in and get started. First, we're going to open ChatGPT. To do this, head over to chatopenai.com and log into your account. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, you'll need to create an account, and the process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts to sign up, and you'll be ready to start. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface, which is where we'll be working from. Now that we're on ChatGPT, let's move to the Image tool. Look at the sidebar on the screen. You'll want to click on Explore GPTs. This is your gateway to a range of creative tools. In the search bar, type in Image Generator or AI Photo Editor. Alternatively, you might see a plus icon depicted as an image icon directly in the chat box. Clicking this can also lead you directly to the tool, if available. This tool is essentially a playground for creativity, allowing you to manipulate and transform images in a variety of ways. The third step is to upload a photo of your dog, which will serve as the foundation for this transformation. Locate the Attach Media button, which lets you select files from your device. Find your dog's picture and upload it. Make sure it's a clear image capturing their personality, as this will help in maintaining their unique traits in the transformation. Once your dog's photo is uploaded, it's time to give ChatGPT some direction to transform it. This is where the magic happens. In the chat box, you can type a prompt such as, "Turn this dog photo into a realistic human version. Keep the same vibe, personality, and style." For instance, if you have a playful golden retriever, you might imagine them as a young man with blonde hair and a cheerful smile. Specify that you want it to be photorealistic, which will ensure that the image is rich in detail and lifelike. If you have specific preferences for the style of the human version, don't hesitate to refine the look by providing additional details. You might want the human version to look like a cartoon superhero with dynamic poses or in vibrant attire, or maybe have them wear trendy streetwear clothes that align with your dog's cool, laid-back demeanor. ChatGPT is flexible, and refining the appearance will make the transformation more personal and aligned with your vision. Finally, once you're satisfied with the transformation, the last step is to save the image. Make sure to download the image directly to your device so you can easily share it with friends or keep it in your digital collection. And there you have it. Your dog's personality and style, reimagined as a human, all thanks to the creative power of AI.